How to fix Instagram Reels glitch. So go ahead and open up your Instagram application. And if your Instagram Reels is glitching and not as smooth as this one, you can fix it by updating the application. Now go to the App Store, find Instagram, and make sure that your application is up to date. Having an outdated application can cause bugs and errors, and that includes the basic functionality of Instagram, like glitching posts and reels. After updating, open up your Instagram again to check your reels. Next thing you can do is to make sure that you have a strong internet connection, since this could be a factor on why your Instagram is not loading as fast. If this still didn't work, what we can do is to clear the cache of the app. To do that, go to the Settings application, click on General, proceed to iPhone storage, find Instagram in here and click Offload app. After offloading, install it again and then check your reels. Now the last thing you can try is to restart your whole system. So just restart your iPhone, and then after reopening, your Instagram reels should stop glitching. So that is how to fix Instagram Reels glitch. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.